Hello. Hello everyone. Let me just check all the things, then we'll begin. Great. Okay, I'm just checking once again. Okay, I'm just checking once again. Okay, let's wait for others to join as well, then we'll begin. So we'll continue, and I'll just select what feature I want in claudient. Okay. Okay, great. So yeah, of course I didn't set up fully. So yesterday, it was just auth key was pending, so that's why I just close it. So we'll make a progress and then we'll close it today. Okay. Okay, we'll wait for some more people to join. Yeah, the first few, of course, live session would be a little bit empty, but people have watched it, the last one, because I made a urgent announcement that I would be going live, so they could not get the time, of course, and the people I know are from all over the world, so different timings zones, and there, so it's very difficult sometimes to join as well at this time. So I specifically picked this time currently, but if you want another timing, so let me know. I'll maybe accommodate to that because it's convenient for me as well as some of my Indian community members. So yeah, that's the only reason. Okay, we'll go into the new anthropic finance services as well, everything, because I'm really of course interested in that as well, because I have a finance background, as you might know. So yeah, interesting times, and yeah. Okay, let me make sure everything is up to the standards I want to, at least. Okay, then yeah, maybe we can start developing it further. Yeah, this I need to make a stand as well for this, otherwise it's just for shorts and everything. So yeah, I'll maybe do that today and design, and so that I can keep on my desk as well. Otherwise I'll just put it there. Okay, great. I'll just check everything once again and then we'll begin. Okay, everything seems good. Thank you for joining. If I feel a little bit more sound from my keys because mic is too close and I'm not using a mechanical keyboard, otherwise it'd be too loud. So if you want me to maybe improve on the acoustics here, let me know. I'm an audiophile, so I know how important that is. And if you want a light background music as well while we are developing, let me know. And all the RGB stuff at the background as well, and lighting and stuff, if you would like to see that as well. Yeah, I hope you can see my creation there. Let me just, that wall, that 3D art, I made that and maybe show sometime later. Okay, great. Let me. Okay, so we'll select couple of things, and it does have MCP server. So okay, is it based on ShardZN as well? Might be. Last updated 2024. It's a little bit older, but okay. For the timing, it's okay that we are developing this because I do like the style of it. And I'm over this, web UI based this boxes and everything. Too common and too many startup or micro SaaS you see this type of thing, right? Okay, while we are here, so let's see, my priority like in software, so you can see. Okay, I hope everyone grabs the symbols. Okay, let's not talk about this right now. Okay, I think we were developing yesterday over tray. Let me switch the model because I think we're done thinking. So what I'm going to do is currently edit, and go through here only. Okay, everything. Then we try to connect Shadc and MCP as well. Okay. Claudient is a definitive community powered knowledge for maximizing cloud code value. It's not a tool, it's a knowledge system. Pattern skills, agent hooks, workflows, prompts that any developer can drop into the cloud code environment into immediate multiple output. Okay. Contributors who want to share this specific domain knowledge. I'll just move it upwards. Okay. my circle here is a little bit big, so I'll just make it small as well. Okay, I hope the quality is okay as well. Okay, contributors want to share their specific domain knowledge and how they use or code and output maximum value or something, but let's okay. So protocol is really fast and if there's any spelling mistake, so please avoid. Okay. Okay. Milestone. Yeah, I'll just change this. What is today? It's May 12th, right? May 13th. First, I'll change the dates and then I'll maybe change. Okay, kid, ignore it. Me, cloud me. Oh, this is full yes, right? So this can be done today only. Why it's giving. Yeah, I'll just work on this, and if you know any new feature they have shipped, I'll also include that. So I'll take 2-3 days in developing, but yeah, let's see. The target is 15th May that we'll be completing. We're getting started guides, skill authoring, token optimization, security, memory, agent orchestration, hooks to perks, AI engineering, cloud, okay, Python, Node.js, okay, good, seems good. Gap filling skills, okay, this is very important as well. May 17th, I'll just okay. Skill DevOps, infra Kubernetes, Terraform, Docker, GitHub Actions, okay. Pandas folder, PyTorch, apply, okay. Yeah, I'll keep on editing. Okay, currently this is the one it Claude researched, right? Okay. Okay, thank you everyone for joining. So I see another stream as well. Okay, great, great. Any question you have, you can ask me, and yeah, if you are developing, side by side as well, something, we can, I think there's an option now in live stream. You can, other streamer can also join, so we can have a combined screen or something. Okay, okay. I'll just keep it 15 then. I don't want to prolong this. Agent sucks rules, okay. Why it's giving yeah, because I want to at least have a skeleton here, right? So that community contribution can also start. So it's not, of course, going to be finalized, but at least structure is there. So I think it's thinking like, everything I'm going to develop. Okay, agents, code, planner, architect, reverse security, builder server, tool, postal lifecycle common. Okay. workflows. Okay, and this is important. Feature development, debugging, code review, refactor, new project bootstrap, system prompts. Okay, example for complete project reference. Config recommendations of GitHub topics, flow, launch post. Okay, we'll keep the target to days. Yeah, in 5 7 days. Of course, I'll not be working on the live stream on this every day. So we'll work on something else as well. But yeah, currently we are doing this high priority. Fast skill most popular Python web framework. Okay, Next.js. Okay, skill authoring guide. Okay, token execution guide. That is of course important if you're using desktop app, and C sharp and .NET skill, Kubernetes skill, ECC camp. Okay, medium priority. Okay, and I want to make a website like this as well, right? If important. And stick to the timeline. Tell me your next steps. Don't overdo anything. Okay, this is task cost reduction. Okay, memory pre-compact. Okay, a pre-compact feature is also very good, right? Feature, I would say, the methodology. I always compact about at 25% when it's remaining. I'm not sure about everyone else, but yeah. And if I know, of course, is the next part is going to taking a lot of tokens, so I do it sometimes at 30 40% or 50% as well. But if I'm developing a simple feature or simple modification, I do after 25% is left. Okay. Installation friction is a problem. Easy. Okay. Cloud code feature inventory as of maze skills. Okay. Slash commands. Okay. Commands or MD files. Agents of agent type in agent tool. Got it. Hooks. Tools. Okay. Rules. Of course. MCP. Of course. Memory. Of course. Plan mode. Bug freeze. Cost tracking. Gap analysis. Okay. This is growth strategy. Okay. Growth strategy. Section code tools. Readme enter clear well proposition 3 line comparison table EBS executive. Phase 2 community launch. Hacker news show. Okay, Reddit, claudient. Okay, that's good. uh, Twitter. Okay. Phase 3 contribution flywheel contribution MD clear skills. Okay, I need to have very clear contribution at MD as well. Otherwise, the player request is going to be crazy and a lot of, I would say, chaos. Quality benchmark A. Yeah, we'll also learn, how dot code can self-validate its work, right? It's not like, always it's doing great, such a great job that everything we can depend on it, right? So I'll also teach you how you can make cloud validate its own output. Okay. Okay, just give me a minute as well. Okay. A couple of you are here over to another platform. Okay, well and good. Okay. Okay, quality benchmarks have explicit anti-pattern not to use. Here's one concrete example. Reference. 10 agent mask specific tools. Yeah. must have practice in such JSON, of course. So here, of course, if you see local settings here, it's nothing, right? It's going to be very elongated as we progress. Permission currently allowed with fetch all the bash commands. Okay, it's looking very basic, right? Not a lot of I have allowed, but as you go on, it will automatically ask, and I will add something manually as well. Include setup instruction. Open question. Should we support multi-harness cursor? Okay, it has asked me open question. Agreed here. npm install packages or just the git clone? No, I want an npm package as well. Versioning strategy for skills. Auto discover index. Uh, okay, I'll also add it here. Oh, I should have used opus in planning, but it's okay. Initial plan is already there. Specifically use retro.ui. Clear priorities and aggressive timeline. Here's what we target. Point one, rate me this. So immediately next step will be one file, your approval, then commit. Yeah. Now it's agreeing, not arguing. Crowded and really that closes today before the said note. Okay. What? Continue tab. Right to where a tab was. That's noted. I'll okay, let me understand the structure, and if anything looks odd or misaligned, I'll just correct it here. Let me just okay. Okay, repository structure, final target. Claudient. Okay, basic files. Claude MD, MD, contributing MD. It should say it gets it's get ignored, but okay, it's already there. Get ignored. Okay, guides getting started. Human reliable depth. Okay, .md files. It's going to create this skills. Okay, got it. Mhm. Okay, so it's basically the plan we agreed and we just approved. Uh, okay, agent score building hooks, rules, workflows, prompts, MCP examples. Okay, implementation. I'm just giving a quick scroll through. I would say implementation order. Get okay. Implementation order. I'll just manually approve everything because what I've noticed, if we are giving 10 items, so it's going to screw up in one or two if it starts of approving. So I'll just check every file and then approve it. Get read MD public hero page. Okay, let's see what's in the trend and then get up what is trending. Hermes agents is also gaining very popularity because it's a self-learning agent. Of course, these are the I would say seeds for, of course, AI apocalypse, this sort of thing, right? Hermes agents, of course, it's not there. System prompt. Okay, wow. Oh, I remember this one. I think it was that N10 guy or something. Oh, it was like all the vibe coding tools. Yeah, system prompts and model. Okay, that repo I remember. inside their age is like 16-year-old. Okay, good for you if you are 16, but some people are calling you a thief as well. Okay, false. And let's go about the skills. Okay, yeah, that is also gaining very good popularity. Oh, wow. See, they are just simple guys who created something really good. Oh no, he's CEO of some organization. Your next gen hire won't be human, of course. Yeah, and to fix your work and to fight the legal battles, you will have to have humans. And okay, official cloud code is having 123,000 star, and everything cloud code is having 180. Awesome. Yeah, this I require something like this. I think I missed this one. Anthropics. It's a package, right? So of course we can't expect popularity that much. Yeah, npm package appreciated. Why did they do? I'm not sure the reason. I think there was security breach or something. March 2026 updated accidentally exposed the full. Okay, that was so. Okay, they have just depreciated the npm package altogether. I thought they fixed it. Means it was so bad that they had to do this. Okay, I think npm is also an organization, or it's run by some open source guys or someone, right? For the next year. So okay. UX Pro Max skill. So I think it's using the design feature of Cloud Code, right? Design intelligence. Is it connecting to Figma or not? That's the only point. It's basically your own designer. The Explore Design Intelligence. Only 57 US styles. Okay, how it works. I haven't used this, so let's see if it's something good here. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay, SaaS-centric dashboard. This type of UI I'm really fed up with. This is still better. It's looking like retro UI, right? Yeah, why not load more? This is done and dusted in the industry. This looks very. Mhm. This never. Luxury e-commerce, all the. Okay, if it's a luxury e-commerce, it should have some liquid glass effect like in Apple's one. No, not at all luxury. Means color scheme is okay. Oh, FYI, you would be seeing maybe yellowish tint and uh, everything because I keep 24 hours on the reading mode every screen, right? I think in pandemic time I started using that screen, thing, and in every phone, in every device, if it's a feature, so I always keep on the reading mode because I want less and less of blue light, and I do like the paper type of color and feel old paper type. Not at all luxury website UI. Yeah, maybe in 2024. I would say 2014, but not at all up to the standard after maybe the pandemic. Uh, so why it's popular? This repository, what it has that I'm not seeing here. Okay, this little bit funky. Yeah, it's using that retro UI, definitely. So this is something for okay, it says liquid glass, but I'm not seeing liquid glass. If it was liquid glass, it would be awesome. See, the images frames are also like rectangle and pathetic. Okay, this is not a liquid glass. This is just I would say glass morphism effect. Yeah, that's not liquid glass at all. At least it's not the Apple's one. Wow, I just closed their website. Okay, glass morphism. Okay, it was there a little bit because I've seen glass morphism to the level that it's almost looking like liquid glass. So it was not up to the mark. I will not use this. Then someone is pinging me. Just wait a minute. Uh, okay, real estate, luxury, not at all. Looking a luxury website or UI. Nope, not at all. Who is using this site? Are they nuts? Or a luxury website? Gaming platform, let's see. Nope, not up to the quality. Okay, restaurant. this is like looking like retro UI components only. So I think we are good. Whether okay, might be it's also last updated in 2024 and all the website mostly are using that. Okay, class morphisms and little bit of neon retro neon vibe, but it says the text, nothing special about it. Okay, it's not worth it to open everyone because I'm getting the quality of this. If they think this is trending, they have no idea. One of the best website, or I would say the best UI I believe is from Neon. I think a few months back their website was so beautiful and still it is, but I remember that I made a whole scrolling video that if I wanted to have like this big some services someday in the future, I would hire the UI team from this. Of course, it's still very beautiful. The UI, it's clean, it's aesthetic, and it shows that they have dedicated some time over this and not just copied from somewhere or just see their timeline. Wow. Earlier it was I think waves or something. That timeline was also really good. I hope to maybe see someday that. Yeah, the earlier one I think it was last year in 2025 only. Some components I'm still seeing, like yeah, this one was there, this sort of thing. uh, this looks like this charge thing from GitHub. So this was little bit there, but yeah, I still remember that timeline was so beautiful. Maybe I'll just search it if I can develop, or if there is some library, or if we can purchase it. See, this is also good timeline, but the earlier one was really something. Okay, this is just a video. Yeah, maybe I'll just develop whole UI, maybe some later with maybe Blender or some 3D software as well. That would be awesome. Okay, this is also good. This is also video, not SVG or something. I think it's video only. Video background. So well, is Postgres, we separate storage and compute offer auto scaling. That's the one of the main feature I do like. Yeah, they screwed up I think in January of this year if I'm not wrong, because in 2025 it was awesome. Yeah, maybe someone has on video on YouTube, of course. We'll see. This is not this. Neon UI, no. I'll just maybe ask neon.com. Let's figure out later. Okay, let's see the last three. Not at worth it. Are other products. Clo, secure. Okay. Cloud kit. Where are these developers from? Yeah, see, they have the premium option, but they don't have anything. So I think it was just a college project or something. Somehow got okay. So yeah, this sort of UI is very out there. Okay, we'll try this. Go Glow. Rebuilt in Go with multi-tenant isolation, 5-layer security, native concurrency. At scale without compromising on safety. That is a BS, but it's okay. We okay, someone from Vietnam then. Okay, CloudKit we can utilize maybe. What they're selling? Engineering kit, marketing kit, bundle. Is anyone buying this? I'll just bookmark it somewhere, or I'll just add it in. They are selling skill commands, so we could also do that. Yeah, but there's also very good free stuff, I would say. Okay, I'm not even sure that the payment would go through because I'm not seeing that it's a legit. Okay, they would give access to their GitHub repo, then they're asking GitHub username, coupon code, enter this. Let's try it. How they can offer seats here? Multiple license, right? Even get 10% of 5 seats. Do you think anyone is going to buy your seats? Okay, let's see if it's static or it's a variable. Everything would be C. Okay, it's variable then. So yeah, if anyone ever wants to see the numbers, like in Amazon, like 1,000 people order recently, so on. Sometimes on some products they're static, sometimes variable they say. So here you can clearly see it's a static number. So there's less than 5% chance, I would say, that these many people bought it. Okay. Cool. See, number should be always, variable or some things are from database. That's how they are changing it, or maybe it's automatically getting updated as the live. Let's like on our website, most of the numbers are of the clients. Yeah. Okay, it's been a while. Let's see it, Ray. Claudient, right? Let's see its work. Where is open preview? PRs welcome. Okay. License MID good. Language is good. Should I buy domain as well, Claudient, or not yet? Is it me or okay? For now, for the timing, it's good. Let me just recheck it. Get loan. They have not started making npm packaging. It's okay. We'll make it later. Npm package. Now committing, now drafting claude.md tells Claude how to behave. That is, I would say, it's system prompt, thinking, brain, and it's machine and human interaction. Claude.md, right? So the more time you spend here, the more rules you will write, you will attach skills, the better output or the better development you're going to have. Okay, brewing. Okay, got it. Go ahead. Okay, creating contributing MD, that is also important. Oh, okay, it has created a claude.md, like of course, no, for not this project. It's of course an example, like everyone can just copy paste it and edit it according to their requirement. Permission to push. Yes, do it. I hope now auth is working, otherwise I'm going to be very furious here. didn't publish the branch or what? Committed. Okay, I'm tapping from one hand all this. Yeah, I'm just copying the sequence as well because maybe we do this tag only, or maybe let's see if it's having group. That's enough, right? If the information is up to date in anything, you are Okay, I should have given instruction in MD that it validates everything before anything, but I haven't, so we'll learn maybe later. Okay, so I'm going to manually validate or ask Claude to validate its work. Okay, I need to verify exact current format. Claude call looks okay, specifically the 2026. So seriously, I didn't ask it to do that already. Okay, man. Okay, Cloud Code documents, of course. Found increases in the guide. Okay, so it's also a manual or easy way to self-validate. Okay, see the thing is now it's updating. Okay, because you can't read when you are developing something, so I am also currently not reading every line and updating all the information. Okay, so because I'm in a hurry to develop this, because I will be then refactoring, or I would say developing its A to Z later. Okay, committed and pushed, two things fixed. Okay, okay, project structure. It's a very basic, or it's something you start on. We'll also learn project structure that for actual development, not just kiddie app, but yeah, actual paying app, like how to have your project structure. Okay, your project dot load skills, hooks, settings dot json. Okay, claudient, and then source for all the files, node modules, of course, or source components. Then okay, where are okay, it hasn't started developing in the translation. It should do that. Yeah, I want to develop it in language, because my community, or of course the people are just not English speakers, uh, and to have this library applicable to everyone's workflow, or maybe useful in even workflow, it needs to have that language option. French, a little bit Dutch, Spanish, no idea. Germany, yes. So, okay. From this first line, French and German looks good. Dutch is still getting over my head. Not able to read it. Spanish, I have no idea. Uh, which other languages it's producing? Five, I think we gave. Okay, we'll develop something. We'll keep it 1.5 or maybe 2 hour today as well. Then maybe after a couple of days we'll not stop even if 5 or 4 hour goes, because I'll forget my schedule, and in the nights I could of course I don't have a meeting in the night, so I could stay up late, and till the time we develop something or start making money in this live session will not stop. Okay, I always wanted to do this, like lock down myself in my apartment and in weekend, and till the time we don't get clients or we earn something, made it on the weekend only, like from full A to Z, and I'll not stop the live stream, and we'll keep on going. Maybe we'll do that next month or maybe before that. That's lovely. Dutch is a little bit harder to learn from me because I sometimes get jumbled up with other European languages, the words spelling a little bit similar, some of the words. Oh, Rossi. Okay, proceed. I should have written. I think this hierarchy English, Francais, Deutsch, Netherlands, Espanol. So this is my knowledge as well for these languages. In this Espanol, zero or one. I know a little bit more Italian than Espanol. So yeah, yes or no. Ultimate choice of work and life. Build. I have many good ideas, the real or crazy ones. People might pay for them or not at all. So we'll develop in upcoming days. Live, I'm going to show you. Okay, man. Okay, at least now it's developing token optimization for every other languages as well, so that I don't have to ask it again and again to develop it. Why? Okay, this is in English. okay, I'm going to use or input shameless plugin for every file it's developing. Or require additional information. I don't have a dog if you are hearing, it's neighbors. Sometime it goes dog park. Yeah, I'm trying to adopt a cat that punched, faced, and I'm forgetting the breed. What's the popular cat breed? Yeah, Persian punch face. Yes, yes. Yeah, this exactly. It looks like, short little snowball. Yes, something like this. Yes, yes, yes. This is the one. Absolutely spitting image of the one I'm planning to have. Wow. Or maybe I would say a little bit this color, or yeah, but this is Persian cat with punch face. Great. Okay, let's research skill for engineering set from my dot .co right to oh why this has, I think I've seen this guy, or at least yeah, I think he's in my LinkedIn connection as well. Yes, programmatic programmer. Does he have a LinkedIn? Means why does it have? Engine skill that I use every day for doing real engineering. Okay. Cloud memory one, right? Persistent context across sessions for every agent captures everything your agent does during sessions, compresses it with AI. Okay, so how much it is compressing in a .md file? Okay, injects relevant context back into the future session. Okay, it's basically compacting and giving a memory as well, right? Because then compacting is not that great. Sometimes it's not that great. Most of the time it is okay, more than okay, I would say. Okay, it's open memory. Right, it's also going to clip any other projects and every file. Now, create logo. Desktop. Across platform desktop all-in-one assistant for okay, it's an assistant. Okay, got it. I'm not going to use this. Anthropic. What is doing? Unified management for AI coding CLI workflow. Is it necessary? I'm not. Auth token manage space URL. I think all this can be done within IDE as well. Like let's say tray, you can have another model and you can add another model when you log in, right? And you can add to the crowd code as well, or another one as well. So I don't think this is necessary, but I'll try this. It's looking more someone from China develop it. It's also going to creep in very in-depth in your projects. Yep, that's why they are developing some good models without that much resources that America has with the maybe because they are creeping in everywhere. Learn Cloud code and it has 60,000 stars. Wow, awesome Cloud skills that I have seen. Caveman. Okay, that is caveman looks interesting. Why use main token if you can do the check called skill set 60 enough token bit of caveman? How it what is doing? Token save 75%. Oh my god. Sorry about the noise. I was excited to see how it can save 75% of the tokens. And as a developer or indie developer, this could be a gold mine then, right? I'm not sure this is going to work in most cases. Token is Unity development. This is Mandarin, simple Chinese, right? This is Japanese, if I'm not wrong. But Japanese. I stopped pursuing, Mandarin because it was the pattern when you write characters. It's also very difficult to remember, and there are so many characters. Everyone has a taught good best practices, but not everyone's practices can be best, right? Does anyone notice in Android phones it's Gemini is picking up without even saying, okay Google or Gemini or something. It's creeping in, to be honest. I was checking that session, it's searching in the Gemini. Pathetic. Okay, let's keep on finding something interesting. That is also very interesting. Okay, I have installed this anti-gravity, but I haven't used it that much as well. Maybe we'll start using because I have a Google Pro account or whatever you call it. I have that as well. So we'll not just stick to cloud code. Yeah, after 10,000, the stars of the popular libraries, it seems like, they have just replicated the popular libraries and it's more over the same things. Okay, GPT API key, how it's giving free. Okay, might be okay. Next year, open design. That's maybe something we can utilize. 71 band design system. Okay, if it's something like what we just saw earlier, I'm going to just close it. Oh, coach is already here. That 5 second minutes still there, I think. It's more or less upgraded version of the pieces one itself, I think. Open designs and let's see the website first, then oh, I'm impressed. Impressed, truly impressed. Not only I like the style, but the animation as well. Open design. I think I've seen this type of website or this exactly this website with this type. Open design. This is going to be a good one. Design already. Design with agent already on your laptop. Okay. So it says that it has 71 profiles of that other design. Yet, okay, this is something we can utilize. Okay. How is it open source? Okay, maybe I'll see something and then only. Okay, there are many contributors. That means it's going to work really great as well. This website is also looking very good. Templates, let's see. See the retro UI. This website is good, but that see, it's English, this Chinese, Japanese. It's all the links are even not there correctly. Still, people don't see the small things and they have this many stuff. And we try to have every pixel perfect then only. DeepSeek free API. Okay. I remember this. It got very famous at a point. But oh no, I think it was cursor. Yeah, that this guy or something. How to even, man, they should have some English. What I do with it, I'm not even sure. Okay, let hope so. This is also not sure what this is. ChatGPT API free. I think they are hosting on their own server, and you can just chat. So it's nothing free. ChatGPT. Okay, this is also interesting. Okay, let's skill authoring. I want to see this. Okay. Okay. Hello. From where it's speaking audio. Hello. Hello. Okay. Okay, I have some meetings and some other YouTube live stream also today. So yeah, after a few minutes I'm going to end. So thank you all so much for joining and those who are going to watch it. Maybe the recordings. So yeah, so pretty soon we are also going to develop the application and make money online live and at least try to live because it takes time. So let's see how that goes. It's going to rain here. It's a little bit wet weather today here. Oh, Okay, then yeah, see you tomorrow. Peace.